If you need a change in your life, whether it's a new smile or a new career, our next guest is here to help. Please welcome Dr. William Fulcher. He is the founder and director of education at My Dental Assisting. Good to see you. Why did you start My Dental Assisting?
I started My Dental Assisting because I felt that there was a real need in the industry for both competently trained dental assistants that have some hands-on experience while in school, and then also a low-cost alternative for patients to be able to receive care. I hear too many stories of patients leaving the country to get dental work done, and it just break my heart having to see our citizens having to go somewhere else.
Right,
so,
and you're changing lives. Did you expect that?
Well, I did. In the onset, not quite as to the extent that we have, from people that are just getting into a new career and our patients that are able to finally afford the dental care that they either need or want. It's been really exciting.
All right, so let's first talk about the students. Yeah. They're learning right alongside real dentists, right?
Correct. Yep. So all of the dental work is provided by dentists that are licensed in the state of Arizona. And the only student part of things is that the assistants are learning how to assist during those procedures.
Okay.
So we do see patients in our hands-on clinics. So we do everything from root canals to fillings to crowns to implants, wisdom teeth, pretty much everything that encompasses dentistry, all within our facility.
How valuable is that hands-on training?
Well, it's extremely valuable. One thing that's nice about our students is they leave school with 120 hours of clinical experience, actually sitting chairside during the procedure.
So how do you become a student?
Students, if you call up and you speak with one of our student advisors, they'll set you up with a tour, and then we'll go over everything from how the program is, how long it is, the days, the times, and then the financial options, and then how to get a job afterwards.
Well, that's what I was going to say, because I can imagine landing that job after going to this type of institute. It's it's pretty high, right? The number of students that can get that first job?
Absolutely. With the amount of experience that you get from our program, our students are able to find work rather quickly, and they're in high demand. So
all right,
it's really nice.
So that's the student side of the institute. Now let's talk about the patient. How do you become a patient first off? And it's about saving money.
Absolutely. So anybody can become a patient at the school, and just as a reminder, you're seen by the dentist, so there's no concerns about the students working on you or anything like that. You call our phone number, you speak with one of our patient coordinators, and they'll set you up as a new patient in our school, and then from there we just figure out what you need and start the treatment.
All right, so I want our viewers to see some before and after photos so you can see exactly the extent of work that you do.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this first patient.
Absolutely. So this patient and the other patient that we'll be going over, they both saw us here on Sonoran Living and called our school. This patient wanted a new smile. He'd always wanted a pretty natural, normal smile, and so we were able to provide that for him at a fraction of the cost.
And what did you use on this patient?
So these crowns are all zirconia crowns,
okay.
And so they're really hard. I always tell patients, if you were to break one, you'd be the first one that I know of that broke them. So they're really sturdy and they're really aesthetic.
All right, so let's talk about this second patient. Wow, a lot of work that needed to be done here.
Yeah, so this patient came with some obvious concerns of decay and some issues, and really he had some setbacks in his life that caused this, but the nice thing is we were able to help him out, and in this particular case we saved this patient over $25,000 on his dental care.
I was going to ask you, so what would a treatment like this typically cost?
So this would have been over the $50,000 mark.
And you all did it for how much?
It was just shy of 25.
Wow.
Yeah.
What was we're talking about changing lives. Yeah. Can he believe he has this smile?
He came in again on Monday and gave me a hug again and just said, you've really changed my life.
You've changed
really
his life. It's incredible work. And both of those were the zirconia crowns that we are about to tell you about right now in this special offer. Thank you so much, Dr. Fulcher, for that. Great information. My Dental Assisting Institute, they have a special offer. You will receive zirconia crowns for $400. Now, they are located at 1959 South Val Vista Drive, Suite 118 in Mesa. Call 480-248-8008 or visit their website, mydentalaz.com.